Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math of the. So, today we are going to see eighth lecture on probability. So, in this lecture, we will discuss Bayes theorem. Okay. So, Bayes rule. So, what is this rule? You can say Bayes rule or Bayes theorem. Okay. So, let S be a sample space and the events B1, B2, B3 up to Bn constitutes a partition of S. Okay. Okay. Then for any event A, we have probability of Bi relative to A is equal to probability of Bi probability of A relative to Bi upon summation I goes to 1 to n probability of Bi upon into probability of A relative to B. Okay. For I such that I varies from 1 to n. Okay. For each I varies from 1 to n. So let's prove it. Let's write this proof. So PBI relative to A is equal to P A intersection, sorry, P P BI intersection A upon P. Okay. So let's say it star. Let's say it 1. Now by theorem of total probability, we have PA is equal to summation I goes to 1 to n PBI into probability of A relative to BI. Okay. Let's say this equation number. Now, next, probability of A relative to BI is equal to probability of A intersection BI upon BI. Okay. This can be also written as A relative to BI, PBI is equal to PBI intersection A, because A intersection BI is equal to BI intersection. Let's say this equation number 3. So from 1, 2, and 3. So putting the value from 1, so putting values from 2 and 3 in 1, we get probability of BI relative to A is equal to PBI probability of A relative to BI upon summation I goes to 1 to n PBI probability of A relative to BI. Okay. So this is the proof. For each I goes to 1 to 2. So this is proof now. Okay. Now we will do some examples. Okay. So let's do some examples. So I am doing tomorrow's example by changing the question in background. Question, example 1, you can say. In a certain assembly plant, this is E, A, assembly plant, 3 machines B1, B2, and B3 make 30%, 45%, and 25%. Okay, respectively, of products. Okay, of the product. Okay, the product. It is known from past experience that 2%, 3%, and 2% of the products made by each machine respectively are defective. Are defective. Now suppose that a finished Product is randomly selected. Randomly okay selected. What is randomly selected? Randomly selected and found to be defective and found to be defective. What is the probability? What is the probability that it was made by machine B3? By machine B3. So solution. So consider the following events. Events. Consider the following events. A, the product is defective. Is defective. Okay. B1 B1 is equal to the product is made by machine B1. B2, the product is made by machine B3. B3, the product is made by machine B3. Okay. No, no, what is the probability A by theorem of, we have already done this question, some part of this, by theorem of total probability. We have calculated already PA by the previous lecture, lecture 7. It is given that probability of B1 probability A relative to B1 plus probability P B2 probability A relative to B2 probability P B3 probability A relative to B3. Okay. Now, what is probability PV1? It is 30%, 30 upon 100. So it is 0.3%. So probability of P2, that is 45 upon 100, that is 0.45%. And PB3, this is 25 upon 100, that is 0.25. Now, what is probability A relative to B1? Okay, 2% of products made by machine B are defective, and A is the event that products is defective. So 2%, total 2% will come here and 100 will come here. This is 0.02%. What is probability A relative to B2? That is, this is 3% upon 100, that is 0.03. And what is P A relative to B3? That is 2 upon 100, that is 0.0. Now calculate putting the so this implies now what is PA? PB1, PA relative to B1 plus PB2, PA relative to B2 plus PB3, PA relative to B3. Okay, so what is this is B1 is this is nothing but 0.3, and this is what 0.02. This is what 0.45, and this is 0.02. This is 0.25 and multiply by 0.0. Okay. So what is this now? This is what is this? This is 0.0. This is 0.06, and this is what 0.0135 plus this is 0.005. And what is the final answer? That is PA is equal to, what is the sum of these three? This is equal to 0.0215. We have already calculated this PA in previous lecture, lecture number 7. Now we have to calculate it, this probability. We have to calculate it, this probability that product is found to be defective and it is made by machine 3, B3. So we have to calculate it this. Okay. So by base rules, we have probability B3 related to A is equal to, this is equal to probability PB3 PA related to B3. Okay. And this is nothing but summation I goes to 1 to 3 P BI PA related to BI. Okay. Now I can expand this later also. PB3 PA related to B3 upon PB1 A related to B1 plus PB to PA related to B2 plus PB3 A related to B3. And what is this actually? This is nothing but A. This is nothing but A. PB3 related to A. This is P3 value was, what was that value? This value, what was this? This was 0.25 multiplied by 0.02. And this was 0.02. This is value of A already calculated. This is okay. So this value is equal to this value is 0.215. This is 215. So what is this? This is equal to 0.005, okay, divided by 0.0215. Okay. So what is the solution after solving it? You will get 10 upon 49. So this is the probability we require. 10 upon 14. So this is the answer. 10 upon 14. So we will do one more example. Okay. This is 4, 5 actually. This is 4, 5. So this is 4, 5. So you got 10 upon 14. Okay, this is the answer. Now we'll do one more example. Example number 2, you can say. Example 2. The contents of urn, okay, 1, 2nd, and 3rd are as follows. One Wahid, 2 black, and 3 red balls. Two Wahid, 1 black, and 1 red balls. And third pot or third urn contain 4 Wahid, 5 black, and 3 red balls. 3 red balls. Okay. 3 red balls. One urn is chosen at random and two balls drawn drawn they happens to be white happen to be white and red. Okay. What is the probability? What is the probability that they come from our first, second, and third? They come from first, second, or third. Okay. So how to do this question? Let's see. So we consider the event. Let even be the event, even the event, the event that earn one is chosen. E2 is the event that earn second is chosen. E3 is the event that earn third is chosen. And A is the event that the two balls taken from the selected earn are white and red. White and red. So in question, in place of R, you write and. Okay. So this is and. And. Okay. So what is the probability of E1? You see that how many? Uh, so how many? So chosen balls are white and red. How many white ball have? It has one and three red balls. So how many options it has? 1 into 3. So what is the probability of? Okay. So what is the probability of two balls are selected? So what is the probability two balls are selected? It means what is the event of event E1? The code E1 is chosen and two balls are drawn. So what is the probability? 2 upon total number of balls in E. So how many balls E1 has? 6. Port 1 has and 1 has 6 balls. So this is 1 by 3. What is PE2? 2 balls upon 2 balls upon 4. So this is 1 by 2. Okay. And PE3, what is this? 2 upon 2 upon total number of balls. How many? 4 plus 5, 12. So this is 1 upon 6. Okay. 1 upon 6. Okay. So we have this one. Now, what is the probability A relative to E1? So two balls are so E1 event is happen. What is the event is that one ball is white and one ball is red. So how many red? Sorry, one. How many white balls are there in earned one? And what are the red balls? 3 upon 6 C2. So we are choosing. Okay. So this is 3 upon, what is this? Uh, this is 6 upon factorial 2 factorial 4. So we have 3 upon 6 by 2. Okay. This is factorial 6. 6 into 5 into factorial 4 upon 4. So this is 1 upon 5. Okay. So what is PA relative to E2? What is this? So how many balls have, how many balls, red balls are there? White balls are 2. And what are red balls? 1. And this is 4C2. What is this? This is 2 upon factorial 4, factorial 2, factorial 2. So this is 2 upon 4 into 3, factorial 2, factorial 2, factorial 2. So this is 1 upon 3. Okay. Okay. So what is PA3? A relative to E3. So what is this? How many white balls are there? 4. 4. And what are, how many red balls? 3. 12 C2. Okay. 4 into 3 factorial 12 upon factorial 2 factorial 10. So this is 4 into 3 upon, okay. So this is 12 into 11 factorial 10. Okay. This is factorial 2. This is factorial 10. Factorial 10 is cancel out. And this is 12. So, okay. So this is 2 upon 11. So this is 2 upon 11. Okay. Okay. So this one we have. Now we have. So PE1 is equal to 1 by 3 now. So even is chosen. Sorry, we made mistake here. Okay. So you see that one thing you see that this is not actually we are doing here. So we have 3 urns. What is the probability of choosing each one is equal to 1 by 3 because we have 3 pots or we have 3 urns. So we have 3 numbers of urns. So what is the probability of choosing each one? That is 1 upon 3. Okay. We have probability of choosing each one 1 upon 3. Okay. Because these are the events of that E1 event is the urn 1 is chosen. And second E2 is the urn 2 is chosen. And third one is E3 is urn 3 is chosen. Okay. Also, and A relative to E1 we calculated 1.5 it is. And A relative to E2 we calculate it is turns out to be 1 by 3. And PA3 we are calculated it is 2 by 11. Okay. Now we have to calculate these things. Hence, we have to require we have to calculate these ones. We have to calculate this probability that A event happens and it is found that it is urn 2 is chosen. Okay, so how to use here? Hence, by Bayes rule, we get what we get. What is this? PE2, P A relative to E2. Okay. So what is this? PE1, PA relative to E1 plus PE2, PA relative to E2 plus PE3, PA relative to E3. So now calculate this. PE2, you calculate first. Okay. So what is this? What is PE3? This is 1 by 3. And this is, what is this? PA relative to E2 is 1 by 3. Okay. So this is 1 by 3. And this is 1 by 5, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 11. So 1 by 3 will common. So 1 by 3 you take common and solve. 1 by 3 will come common. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3, 2 by 11. So this is cancel out. So what you got? You got 1/3. What is, so you take LCM here. This is okay. So this is 33 plus 55 plus 15. Okay. So this will come after solving it. You will get 5 upon this is 70. This is 7 60 70 70. So what is this actually after solving? Will get 1/3 will come out 1/5 plus 1/3 2/11. To take LCM. So this is nothing but 30. So this is 30 here. 30 here. So you will get after solving it, you will get 55 upon 118. Okay, 118. And now we have to calculate P. Calculate P E3 related to A1. So this is what P E3 P A related to E3 upon P E1 P A relative to E1 plus P E2 P A relative to E2 plus P E3 P A relative to E3. So what is this? This is 1/3 and this is A relative to E3 was what was this was 2 upon 11. Okay, and this is 1/3. You can take 1/3 because common. So this is 1/3. This is 1/5 and this is 2/11. Okay. So 1/3 and 1/3 is again cancelled out. So you 2 upon 11 you have 165 in denominator. You have in denominator you will have 118 upon 165. So after solving it, what you will get? You will get 5 5 5 into 4 upon 118. Okay. So 30 upon 1/3. So 2 upon 11 is cancelled out and it is 118 upon 165. So 165 will go here. Let me check it again. So 2 upon 11 into 1 upon 65, 118. So what is this? This is 1 and this is 5. Okay. So 30 upon 118 you will have. This is the answer. Okay. Now last one we need to calculate PE1. Okay. PE1 you have to calculate. Okay. You can solve it further. How? This is you can cut down it. This is 15 upon 5, 9. Okay. Now PE1 relative to A. PA, PE1, PA relative to E1. Okay. So PE1, PA relative to E1 plus PE2, PA relative to E2. PE3, PA relative to E3. Again, 1 by 3 will come common from denominator. So what we will have? So this is 1 by 3 and this is, what was this? This was 1 by 5. So 1 by 3 will come common here. So I am writing it in next line. So what is this? 1 by 3, 1 by 5. So this is 1 by 3 will come common. 1 by 3. Okay. Plus, sorry, 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3. 2 upon 11. So this is cancel out. Okay. So this is cancel out. Okay, one thing is here. So here is 1 upon 5. This is 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 3 is here. 1 upon 5, this is 1 upon 3. Okay. So this is 1 upon 5, 1 upon 3. So what will get here? So this is 1 upon 5 upon 118 upon 165. So solve it, what you get? 1 upon 5 into 165, 118. So this is 3. Now you can cut down. So no, it will not cancel out. So it is 33 by 33 by 118. Okay. So this is the answer. So today's lecture up to this. If you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much. We will see you in next class.